Hello friends, I am Ishwinder Singh and I am associated with pistol shooting sports since last almost 15 years in various capacities. I am also the mentor of Guns of Nation Shooting Academy, New Delhi. In next few days, I would be unfolding before you those mystical techniques of pistol shooting sports which normally shooters overlook during their training sessions. Today I would be talking on that aspect of pistol shooting which is often highly underrated by pistol shooters, especially the beginners. But believe me, if you do this aspect perfectly and sincerely, your shooting skills will jump to next level. So shooters, what are you waiting for? Let's go. You must have heard about shadow training in various sports like boxing, cricket, badminton, etc., wherein the athletes tries to develop his or her motor skills by doing the shadow training. On the similar lines, we have got dry firing or dry training in pistol shooting, where the shooter actually executes the shot process without loading the weapon. Most senior shooters are aware that if they have to develop their shooting skills, that of the topmost level of shooters, they have to execute the shot process subconsciously or what we call as automatically. But unfortunately, this subconscious shooting or automatic shooting doesn't come naturally to us. We have to develop this skill by using various techniques, and dry firing is one of the most trusted techniques to develop this skill. Most shooters find dry firing as very listless and boring, and they tend to overlook it during their training schedules. The reason behind this may be that they are not able to see where the shot has hit as the weapon is unloaded, and hence it doesn't give them that kick and motivation to do the dry training. Now let me show you by a very simple and interesting means how actually dry firing works on a subconscious mind. Take a carbon paper and place below it a plain white sheet. Now write something on the carbon paper with your fingernail or fingertip. What you have written on the carbon paper is not visible to you or anyone else, but it gets imprinted on the white paper below it. This is the way how dry firing works, wherein the result of the shot is not visible, but the process of shot sequence gets embedded in a subconscious mind. If you perform dry firing very sincerely, believe me, your live firing skills would improve dramatically. Repeated and correct dry firing may not show immediate results, but it is quietly doing its work on your subconscious mind. What we do consciously in our dry training, after some days we would be able to do it subconsciously or automatically in a live firing. Hope from now onwards you will take your dry firing skills very seriously. See you soon after some days with another episode of Hidden Secrets of Pistol Shooting Techniques. Till then, stay safe, keep training and keep healthy.